family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we're back with another video. And as you guys can tell by the title, we got another Shopmissa haul. So I'm gonna have two different looks because I did place another order that just shipped, but I just got my first order, so I'm gonna haul this real quick. And it's probably gonna be really quick because I have a doctor's appointment to go to and I have to mail a package out. So if you want to see what I got from Shopmissa, then just keep on watching. Alright, that was my thumbnail portion. So I have my package right here, nicely bubble wrapped. I have my box cutter because I'm not struggling right now. Nicely wrapped with tissue. So practically in this order, I just ordered a bunch of lashes. Okay, so here are all the lashes that I got. So the current lashes that I am wearing are from Shopmissa. These are in the style Elydia, and I got 6 pairs of backups. As you can see, they're so freaking like full and voluminous. I love these lashes. Like, do you see that volume and curl? They just make a dramatic look so perfect. So I got 6 of those. Then I wanted to try a couple of more of their other styles that looked similar to this. So I got 2 of the Melissa lashes, which look like this. Super pretty. And then I got the style Jessica, which look a bit more like spread out, but really, really pretty and dramatic as well. So that is all I got from this order. And I also just got this in the mail. It's not from Shopmissa. I ordered this off of eBay, but it's like a gel top coat, like refill bottle. It's a 30 milliliter bottle. It's from the brand Vanalisa. It's their no wipe top coat. Can't wait to use this as well. But mainly, we're sticking with Shopmissa stuff in this video, so I'm super excited to try the other styles of lashes. But yeah, I'll see you in the next clip of whatever I look like in the next clip. So this is part 2 of the same video of me getting my second Shopmissa package. So they just delivered it and I just got it. So let's get right into the other products that I purchased. So it's nicely wrapped as per usual, and I did use one of the products which I will show you and tell you my thoughts on. Okay, so Shopmissa just released some new blenders in a new shade. So they're not new, they're just a new color, and once I saw the color, I knew that I had to have them in my life. And if you can guess what color it is, drop it down below. The color is nude. So I did use one because I just finished filming a first impressions video, and this is what it looks like used and wet. And this is the packaging. I have some more to show you untouched, brand new. So yeah, if you want to know my thoughts, then go watch that first impressions. So they came out with 3 different shapes. I got 2 out of the 3. So I got 3 of these, and I've used one already. That's the one that I just showed you. These are the regular teardrop shapes, and again, these are in the nude color. Really, really pretty color, and I blended out my makeup okay. Again, go see my full thoughts on this product in the first impressions. I'll leave it linked up here. So I got 3 of those, and then they came out with like this slanted one that has like a slant, like a flat edge and a pointed edge. It kind of looks like the Real Techniques beauty sponge. So I got 2 of these, and again, in the nude color, really, really pretty. And yeah, again, I saw these and I was like, I need them in my life, so I got them. And then the last thing that I purchased is like a head wrap. It's a super wide one. I didn't think it was going to be this big. I like to wear these when I'm doing my makeup, and I have one already in black that I purchased from Dollar General, but these were like $1, so I figured why not. And this is just a brown one, and I don't know if this is gonna fit me. Like, I know I have a big head, but damn, this is so wide. It's like bigger than my face. Let's see. So this is what it looks like on. It is much wider than my other one. My other one is like half the size, but it is very comfortable. I love the material, and it's a pretty color, and it is going to do what I need it to do, which is hold my hair back when I'm doing my makeup so I don't get makeup in my hair and it's not in my way. So really, really nice. And I know this was like a small haul considering I only got like 4 or 5 things, but I figured I'd share it with you guys because you guys seem to really enjoy my Shopmissa hauls. So yeah, that brings this video to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed. Also, this is a different day, as you can tell, and I'm wearing the Jessica lashes that I got from the first part of the video, and these are so pretty. I'm definitely going to be purchasing a whole bunch more, but look at how like natural, but like it's so hard to explain, but they're like natural but like dramatic at the same time. Like they give your eyes like a nice little zhuzh, if you will say. Like I feel like I have like eyelash extensions on. So yeah, really good buy. I can't wait to try the other style that I got. I think it's Melissa. So yeah, that brings this video to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, drop a thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys are going to be getting any of these lashes or the blender or anything. If you liked anything in the video, leave it down below. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you guys go. It'll be right here in this little corner. And hit the notification bell right next to it so you guys can stay notified every time I do upload. On that note, I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you guys are, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!